Hey you guys, my name's Josh and I'm out here at Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and today I'm going to be going over a tutorial on how to install the car seat in the back seat of your new Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee is going to be the most selling SUV on the market right now, and it's used by families all over the country. So I figured it would be a really good idea to show you guys how to install the car seat safely and secured. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. The first thing that I wanted to go over with you guys was the location of the latch points in the seats. So they're going to be located on both the driver and the passenger side of the vehicle, and each seat's going to get two separate latch points. They're actually going to be marked by these car seat indicators that are going to be on either side of the seat, and the latch points are going to be located in between the top half and the cushion of the seat, and you can reach your hand in there and you can feel where each of them hook in. Now you want to make sure for whichever side that you install the car seat on that you're going to want to slide the seat forward to provide plenty of clearance for the car seat to fit in, and you really don't want the back of the car seat to be touching the back of the seat. And that's just because in the case of a head-on collision, you don't want the seat to slide back and jam up against the car seat or anything like that. Now, the Grand Cherokee has plenty of cabin space available in it, so I'm going to slide the seat forward. It doesn't need to be all the way up, just a few inches. Now you can see I actually slid it forward quite a bit, but I actually still have plenty of leg space available. I've got plenty of room, no worries there. Now, when you first set the car seat inside the vehicle, you're going to want to make sure that the recline on the car seat is set to be level with the ground. And every car seat should have some kind of indicator as to whether or not the seat is level, and that's going to depend on the type of model that you have, so just be sure to look out for that. And you can see my indicator is set to level 2 on the recline, but it probably needs to be set to 3 for it to be level with the ground. And the great thing about the Grand Cherokee is that the back seat recline. So I can take this back seat and push it back some, and that's just going to provide a little bit more clearance for the seat to recline and sit comfortably. All right. So now you can see my car seat is going to be level with the ground. So now we're going to move on to the next step. Now the latch system for every car seat is probably going to be a little bit different. This particular car seat is going to feature a belt path that goes through the seat of the car seat, and it's going to go from one side all the way through to the other. And this belt path can also be utilized with the conventional seat belt in the back seat as well. Now you're going to want to make sure that the strap is going to be laying flat going all the way across the belt path, and you're going to take one side of your latch and you're going to want to make sure that it's pretty loose. You want some length on this because we're going to end up tightening this down later. Now I'm going to take this hook in my hand. I'm going to reach over to that anchor point that we found at the beginning of the video, and you should hear an audible click when it clicks into place. All right. Now we're going to go over to the other side and latch in the other anchor point. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're just going to make sure that the strap is laying flat going all the way across the belt path. I'm going to take my latch in my hand. I'm going to reach over and find my anchor point. All right, now it's clicked into place. Now we're going to go over to the other side and secure the car seat. Now as far as securing the car seat goes, I'm going to press down on this gray button and I'm going to pull out all the slack that's left in this strap. And I really want to make sure that it's tight because that's going to be key in making sure that the car seat is secured into place. Now, after you're finished tightening down the straps in your car seat, you're going to want to make sure that it's secured into place and locked in pretty well. And a good way to test that is just take your non-dominant hand and reach across where the belt path is and just give it a little push and a little shove. And the car seat should provide resistance and it shouldn't really budge at all. And that's how you're going to know that you have it secured into place. And you can see this has pretty much no movement, and I'm not going to really get any movement until I push hard. That's how you're going to know that you have your car seat secured into place pretty well. All right, you guys, this has been my tutorial on how to install the car seat in the back seat of your new Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. Be sure to like and share the video. It really helps me out, and I'll see you guys in the next one that I make.